Welcome back to Dad Deals. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 25 deals that you should be buying over at Harbor Freight in May 2026. Harbor Freight just dropped a bunch of new coupons, as well as some new Inside Track Club coupons, and I will have the top 25 from their general coupons, and then I will also have at the end of this video a top 25 Inside Track Club only deals. So stay tuned, there's a lot of great stuff to cover in this video. So sit back, relax, and without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have this 40 bin organizer. These are kind of old school. I think everybody's dad had one of these growing up in their garage. This is a great way to store screws, bolts, nuts, all sorts of stuff in here. These are all plastic removable bins in a metal frame. They also have a full-length drawer at the bottom, and this is on sale for just $15. Next up, a lot of people say Harbor Freight doesn't sell any of the really cheap items that they were known for a long time ago. And I just want to point out this deal. This deal is absolutely insane that you can get a 12-volt cordless 3/8-inch drill and a flashlight. So a 2-tool combo kit here with a battery and a charger for just $19. That's what this is on sale for. Now, of course, I'm not recommending this to most tool guys out there. These are absolutely cheaply made drills and a cheaply made flashlight. I just want to highlight that it is insane. If you just get a single use out of this, I pretty much think this is worth 19 bucks. It's including the battery. So if you want a drill and a flashlight that you can absolutely abuse and not really care about, I do think this is a good pickup. This is just a crazy good price at $19. Next up, these garden carts can be a lifesaver if you're spreading mulch, hauling bags of topsoil and plants, anything like that. They have big pneumatic wheels on them. This has a 1,200 pound capacity, removable sides, and this is 40 bucks off at $150 just in time for gardening season. Next up is a great price on this slim, kind of no frills, large panel TV mount. This is just $15, can handle up to a 70-inch TV. Has a bunch of holes down the rails, so you are sure to be able to hit a stud with these, and this is a great price. Next up is kind of a dollar day item. These are just a stainless steel tweezer set. These always come in handy for just a bunch of different things you might need it for. Dealing with little small parts, things like that. This is a 6-piece set for just $5. I think clamps are a steal over at Harbor Freight. Here's a Pittsburgh 12-inch quick release bar clamp at just $3. Next up at just $5, they have the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch quick release impact rated extension bar. This is on sale for $6. Here is their most powerful car jump starter. This is the Viking 3400 Peak Amp Pro portable battery jump starter. So this can handle diesel trucks, gas trucks, has an integrated light into the front of it, and this is on sale for $330. That is $70 off. All right, next up, we have the Holt Industries. This is a pistol grip grease gun. Just a nice thing to have. You can get the nice precision control with the flexible hose, and this is just 20 bucks. The battery-operated liquid transfer pump is back on sale. This is half off at just $7. I use this for a bunch of different things. I use it to fill my riding lawnmower. It just allows me to use a bigger gas can to do that without having to worry about tipping it and spilling it. I also use one of these to do water changes on my fish tank. Obviously, you'd want to use a different one for both of those scenarios, but they work pretty well, especially for just $7. So a nice price there. Next up, we have a 4-pack of the vacuum storage bags. You're going to get 1 extra large bag and then 3 large bags in this kit. This can really help you pack stuff down when you travel. Just be aware that sometimes these things can get heavy, as it'll squeeze things down, but it does not reduce the weight at all. But these are just $5. An awesome pickup here. These are the Garden Hose Quick Connects. These are awesome. They work just like the Quick Connects that you use on like air hoses and things like that. But this will allow you to just quickly connect hoses to spigots, even spray nozzles, pressure washers, all that stuff. I love these things, and this is $6. Some zip ties are just $1. These are the UV resistant ones, so a little bit nicer than your standard zip tie. This is a 100-pack for just $1. The US General 6-drawer full bank cart is $100 off right now at $500, available in a bunch of different colors. They also have these nice Bauer storage totes. Now this works on the Bauer modular toolbox system, but you can just use them as standalone storage totes as well. These are $20. I love this Apache waterproof clear case. This is on sale for just $10. This thing is completely waterproof. Kind of a hack that I use this thing for is to store baby wipes in the car. This does an excellent job of sealing that moisture in, and your wipes in here will never dry out. It'll be summertime before we know it. The heat is here, and they have this brand new Central Machinery 24-inch wall mount fan. This would be great to mount in your garage or shop to get some airflow. This is 30 bucks off at $120. They also have their other fans for the same price. They have this high velocity floor fan, as well as one on a pedestal. All these are 120 bucks. Harbor Freight is also having a great deal on the disposable gloves. They're having a deal where if you buy 2 boxes, you get a third free. They have a bunch of different varieties to choose from under that Hardy brand, so that's a good deal. Next up is this Pittsburgh dual flex ratchet, so it pivots in 2 different areas. This is 3/8 inch drive and it's $12. They're also having a pretty good deal on the Predator power stations and solar panels that go along with those. If you buy one of their power stations, you can get 40% off the 100 watt portable solar panel. I'm not the biggest fan of these power stations. I think they lack a lot of the features that other brands like EcoFlow, Blue Eddy, Anchor, power stations like that have, with the full app control. But getting almost half off the solar panel is a pretty good deal. All right, next up, if you have any summer road trips planned, you need some extra storage in your van or car, check out this Haulmaster folding cargo carrier. It's a really nice carrier. It can fold out of the way so you don't have to detach it when you get to your destination. And this is just $100. Next up, we have the heavy-duty 6-ton Daytona floor jacks. These are 25% off right now. You can match up the colors with your jack. These are $60. They also have the 3-ton Pittsburgh floor jack with the rapid pump at $110. And then last up here, we have the Merlin High Flow V-Style. These are brand new. Quick connect coupler sets, $13. All right, next up, I have 25 of the Inside Track Club only deals. That's the yearly subscription that gets you early access and exclusive deals like these. First up out of those, we have the US General glove and tissue dispenser. These work perfectly with those Hardy gloves. It's available in all the colors to match whatever scheme you're going for. And these are on sale for just $9.94. Next up, we have the Pittsburgh half-inch drive impact rated deep socket set, 13-piece set here for $22. The US General magnetic power and air tool holder. This thing's really nice. I've had this for a while. Can hold pretty much 3 drills right on the side of your cabinet, and this is on sale for $17. Another great thing to do this time of year is sharpen your lawnmower blades. These flap discs work great along with an angle grinder to do that. These are the Hercules branded ones. These are the top quality ones that they sell, and these are half off at just $6. They also have this rarely discounted Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty jack in the Sunburst metallic orange. This thing looks pretty sweet, and it's down to $240. So we talked about that 17-foot multitask ladder. That one's been around for a long time, but here's the brand new 22-foot version, so a bigger version to compete right up with those little giant ladders, and this is on sale for $170. That's a great price. That's almost half off what one of the little giant ones would cost. But these are just a great all-purpose, if you're only going to have one ladder, make it this one type of ladder at a great price. Another new item is this Pittsburgh hot stapler kit. Sometimes these are also called plastic welders, but these can do a bunch of different repairs on plastic parts. I've seen them repair things like lawnmower decks, anything like that that gets a crack in it. You can quickly repair it with one of these pretty easily, and this set is $22. Next up, we have the Icon Professional Scraper and Removal Tools. These have the nice big comfort grips on them, and this set is $20. From Quinn, they have their 3/8 inch drive high visibility socket set, a 35-piece set here in a nice case for $30. Next up, we have the Pittsburgh Extendable Ratchet. This is dual drive, so it's double-sided. You get 1/4 inch on one side, 3/8 inch on the other. This thing's pretty sweet at just $10. All right, moving on, we have the US General Magnetic Socket Rail at just $15. This can securely hold those sockets with the magnet on them. So if you accidentally knock into it, they won't go flying everywhere. Next up, we have the Pittsburgh Panel and Trim Removal Set. This is a 6-piece set at $13. Some more clamps. These are the Bremen Parallel clamps. These are the 24-inch versions at $25. A nice Braun lantern here. This is 2,000 lumens at $20. Quinn has a nice premium screwdriver set, a 2-piece set. You're getting Phillips and flathead at just $3. They have these Icon Master Technician Premium Mechanics gloves on sale for $20. These are pretty similar to the Hardy ones, but if you really like that Icon brand, this is a nice price for these gloves. Another tool set here from Pittsburgh. This is a 146-piece set at $50, all in a nice case. Of course, you get that lifetime warranty with these and all of their hand tools. Here's the scraper set from Quinn, also including that paint multi-tool at just $9. These aluminum ramps are pretty nice. If you need to load something in the back of your truck, they're lightweight and very easy to use, and they're $150 right now. If you need a canopy, you can get this 10-foot by 10-foot straight leg. That's important. That's going to give you the maximum shade, and this is $100. They also have this Bauer cordless wet dry vacuum, has a 3.5 gallon capacity. It is tool only though, so you will need to have a battery. It has the onboard storage. This is $45. I love this neck light from Braun. This is 290 lumens. Just rests nice and comfortably on your neck, so completely hands-free, and this is $18. They also have this retractable cord reel. If you don't have one of these in your garage, this can make all the difference and be one of the nicest and cheapest upgrades that you can make to your garage or shop. You got the triple tap on the end, and it is $70. A headlamp from Braun. This is a 700 lumen rechargeable LED headlamp. Comes with that USB rechargeable cable at $19. And then last up here is a hose splitter. So if you need to run some sprinklers, you can get this at just $4.96. All right, that's it. Those are all your deals for the first half of May. Let me know if I missed out on any and which you'll be after. As always, please like the video if you find it helpful, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.